the members of the Villagers Action Committee against doubling of South Western Railway tracks. And today we had a meeting. The Honorable Chief Minister was very kind enough to give us his time in spite of his busy schedule. We also had the General Manager of South Western Railway, Mr. Sahu, attending the meeting along with his engineers. And we have placed before the South Western Railway Authority, in the presence of our Honorable Chief Minister, that the second railway track will be destructive to Goa. We had made a video which we presented. Of course, the video cannot cover the entire issue, but and also you cannot really give the correct picture through the video. But nevertheless, we focused on a few houses just to make it very visible the proximity of the tracks should the tracks be doubled. And if the tracks are doubled, people, the owners and the villagers will become prisoners in their own land, suffering due to coal dust pollution, due to noise pollution, and the risk to life. The risk to life. Besides vibrations that will destroy our houses. Because as we all know, the number of trains will increase. Okay? We'll have about how many trains?
They have already increased 8 times.
8 times, and they'll be further. Yeah, they'll be increased to such an extent that there'll be about 100 trains in a day.
The gate, you have a railway gate.
Yes, and every train will have that many. One rake has 58 wagons. So, and basically, the doubling is for coal. Okay. Now, where is this coal being taken? To Karnataka. Does Karnataka have ports to handle their need? Yes. So we have asked the Railway Authority to investigate other routes and other alternatives because Karnataka can contain this kind of development. Karnataka is much bigger, 52 times bigger than Goa. So what you do in Karnataka can be considered as development because in Karnataka you have stretches of land where you don't see even a cat moving. But Goa is already crowded. Our houses are there. Present tracks are almost on the doorsteps. And now you want to lay the second track? That cannot be allowed. It cannot happen unless we want to destroy us, the people of the state, and our houses. And I don't think our Chief Minister will allow.
What the CM had to say, ma'am?
Our Chief Minister has listened very patiently to all our grievances. He has seen the video. He has realized how close the present tracks are and what will happen if the second track will be laid. And therefore, he has suggested some measures which will be carried out. Not a solution, but some kind of investigation on what is right, what is wrong, and all that, because he wants to study the route.
Ma'am, one more thing is that, just to make it clear, that from your own government, some of the ministers says this double tracking, rail tracking is not for coal.
It is for coal. Who said?
What
else is it?
Mr. Cabral said.
Mr. Cabral has agreed yesterday when another group of people were talking. He agreed, they were telling him about the coal, the quantum of coal that will be transported. And he agreed. He said,
the project is only for coal. Project is only for
the project.
See, it is basically for coal. Because if it is for connectivity, let us look at the trains and the bogies. They go empty. In every bogie, you may see 2 or 3 passengers. So for
on that
route. So for that, you're going to double the tracks and make us prisoners in our own land?
Why your government is not coming clear like what you have mentioned then, ma'am?
The previous governments have come.
Your own government.
Your own government, I'm talking. You have come clearly what exactly it is and everything.
Can I say something? See, for example, now this doubling of tracks will start from Mole, right? And I know that the people are agitating. But I cannot speak for them because I don't know the existing ground reality. Now the same thing is for the Honorable Chief Minister, okay? And therefore he's going to take measures to ensure that he knows exactly what the ground reality is. We have placed before him our stand, but he has to double check, which he will do.
What will be the environmental impact if so?
Environmental impact, look at the coal dust
Coal
pollution.
dust pollution, noise
Today-
pollution,
Yes.
noise pollution, coal dust pollution. Our water will be contaminated. Our fish are going to die. So
Yes.
many other things.
Groundwater contamination leading to
Ma'am,
destruction
how
of
long
water
you will
life.
wait for CM? How long you will wait for the CM decision to take a decision?
Take the call.
I think maybe in another week's time.
Ma'am, so that means
See, let me tell you, this same committee met with the Minister for Environment. His visit is still pending because he has promised us that he will come.
He
So we are
promised to
waiting
come in
for his
one week.
visit to study the route and the impact of doubling on the existing
So-
infrastructure.
can you say also that the issue of Mole is also a dangerous issue for the state because the doubling issue is also connected with that?
Yes.
All three
Obviously,
linear projects.
these are three linear projects that will cause a lot of disturbance.
Sagar will be destroyed. If Mole projects come, you won't get to see Dudhsagar. We have been to Mole, we saw what are the
But the
problems.
government says nothing happens. Dudhsagara half the
Government will say only, when you want something, you will say nothing will happen because you are interested. They have got their own self-interest. They are not bothered about the
But
people.
sir,
And let me tell you one last thing from my side. Our ex-Chief Minister, Sri Manohar Ji Parrikar, had made a very definite statement. And he said, doubling of the South-Western Railway track is NPT fraud. And I have the press
That was the
cutting.
cutting.
We have the cuttings.
so are these concerned ministers who have been talking on these Mole issues? It is good and all. Are these ministers fooling Goans?
Yes.
Appears to be.
Ma'am, you would like
Are
to
they
hear from?
what?
Are these ministers who have been telling on these Mole issues that they are good, they are giving jobs and
How
all?
can they
They are
be
fooling
good?
Goans.
It
I
looks
think you
to
should
be.
ask this question to them.
Yes, we
And
should
let
ask
them
them.
say whether they are.
Ask them
their
what
goal
good it
is
is
to
for
fool the
Goa.
people.
Ma'am,
It's not for me
Ma'am,
to
what's your
say
viewpoint
because
on
I don't know what is in their mind.
मॅडम तुम्ही कितलो टाइम तांकां रावतले डिसिजन घेवपाक आनी ते डिसिजन फेवरेबल डिसिजन घेयना जाल्यार तुमी कितें
कितें
करतले
करतले?
नेक्स्ट कोर्स
We will see. We are
We
very
will decide.
confident.
We will
You
decide.
take this.
Yeah.
He will be.
We will decide.
This is in the press. This was in the press in 2017.
This is what the railways said.
This is what the railways said. This is what the minister said. This is what the MP said. And you decide whether they are fooling us or not.
Ma'am, at present, how much coal are being handled through the railway?
Now, those details I cannot give you offhand.
So you are
But we
you
will
are-
be talking about all these details at a later date. Okay?
Yes, sir.
are you positive now from CM side that he will stop this all this?
Yes.
He thinks
We
So-
definitely have great hope in our chief minister.
And faith in him.
Ma'am, once we seen that you have attended the public hearing, which was the biggest public hearing in India, which went for the 8 days in Vaskat Tilak Maidan. So, what was the outcome? Coal public hearing.
that is the captain.
MPT.
Yes, they have.
Yeah, see, I was the Minister for Environment, okay? I have visited NPT. I have seen how they try to fool, pretending that they are controlling the coal dust pollution, but they don't. Because we went offhand inside the port and we saw that the water geysers and sprinklers and all that are supposed to be on when work of loading, unloading happens, nothing was on. And only after we came in, I think about 20 minutes later, the sprinklers came on. When we went to the various, locations at the port, all you had to do is rub your hands on the wall even, or on the ceiling, or on the staircase. your hands would turn black.
Ma'am, since you are
On this, you have written a letter to the environment minister.
Yes, we have taken. In fact, after that, these ambient quality air monitoring machines were put at various places.
Ma'am?
Okay. Now it is a fact that coal dust is there because I, as a minister, visited Vasco. I went to several houses. What did I see? I saw curtains that had turned black in the houses that I visited. How did they turn black? It was the coal dust that had settled on the curtains.
like you have been the first MLA from your own party to raise or come out openly on this issue and all. If something doesn't work out, then option of you resigning or something is there, or what it is.
I still have hope in my government. Okay, I have hope in my government and I have hope in my people.
But
Ma'am,
ma'am, your
this
government is
should
Yeah,
be
supporting
that
this
you are
project.
going to
no, ma'am.
fight.
See,
Resignation.
yes.
Ma'am, your government is supporting but this project.
That's what.
No, we cannot say that until the government gives the go-ahead signal.
Ma'am, because the recently issue, if you see environment minister, environment minister comes down to go.
Yes, I have written to the environment minister. I have just sent my thoughts to him yesterday evening.
Okay.
Okay. And very soon I may give the letter to you all, whatever I have said to the Honorable Union Minister, because it is the Union Minister's responsibility to ensure protection of the environment. He is the Minister for Environment. He is responsible for the quality of environment that we, the people of the state of Goa, will face if the tracks are doubled.
No, but
It is his moral duty to ensure clean air, clean environment to us.
But
And something that will destroy our lives, we don't call it development. We
Ma'am,
call
the coal
it
is so hazardous.
destruction.
Ma'am, last question. The coal is so hazardous for the locals, then still the government is planning.
I beg your pardon?
The coal is so hazardous for locals, but the
Yes.
still is government is planning for it. Can you exist it?
See, they have not said this yet. It is the railway authority that is wanting to do it. Okay? Now we have come specially to place all our issues before the Honorable Chief Minister. See, if the government had decided, the Honorable Chief Minister would not have wasted time. He's given so much time for us. He's gone through the video. He has ordered for some action. I don't want to say what it is, but he has ordered for some action to certify what is right, what is wrong. So we'll wait for that to happen.
okay. Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you.